We're here today with Mike Aquino from Overture. Mike, thanks for joining us. There's been a lot of talk at the show here this year around network virtualization and software-defined networking. What is Overture doing in this area?
Yeah, it's interesting. I've walked around a little bit, and really for the last 12 months, there's been a tremendous amount of energy around software-defined networks, virtualization, and cloud computing. What I would say to you is, this is actually a kind of a sweet spot for Overture. We've been virtualizing networks now for several years. What's the problem we're trying to solve? We're trying to solve the multi-vendor problem for our customers. We're trying to solve the fast deployment of services challenge. I mean, for them, it's about taking the create, sell, and activate and figure out how to continue to do that in hours and days versus months and years. So if you look at what we've been doing, Todd, for the last 2-3 years around virtualization and specifically our zero-touch provisioning, those are the kinds of things that are going to bring tremendous value to our customers over the next couple of years.
Overture has been a leader in the carrier Ethernet space for some time. Where do you see the industry growth coming from in the next few years?
You know, it's interesting because I've only been here 6 weeks, but one of the big drivers for me was in fact the leadership position that they've enjoyed for 12 years in this space. And you know, the de facto standard for service delivery is carrier Ethernet. So from where I sit and look at the customer base that we've developed, you know, the innovation in this space will continue to be upon time to market. What are the sets of things we can do? And we've got, again, our zero-touch provisioning capabilities that bring time to market to a whole new level. So it takes that provisioning challenge for our customers and drives it literally into hours and days versus months and years. So that's one. The other place is around the O&M capabilities that we create. So our customers are very good at figuring out how to assure these networks, but if you look at the other sets of innovation that we're going to continue to go push in order to make sure that we make these networks robust, reliable, the ability to withstand challenges, those are the kinds of things that we will continue to add and drive into the carrier Ethernet portion, and that is what's going to underpin service delivery in the years to come.
Finally, Mike, how has the show been here for you guys?
You know, truth be told, you know, I've been here with the folks at Overture for 6 weeks, and this is actually my first Ethernet Expo. I know they've had it for a couple of years. I've been amazed. I've only been here for about 10 hours, and the number of customers I've come across. So to me, it's been very good. I look at, and it's not just the customers, but the quality of customers that are here. So overall, I'm very happy that I've been able to make the trip and spend a couple of days as well.
Mike, thanks so much for joining us here at the show.
Delighted. Thanks for having me.